In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download files from Claude AI step by step. It only takes a few clicks, so let's go ahead and get started. First, I'll open my browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once the page loads, I'll sign into my account if I'm not already logged in. After logging in, I'll open the conversation where Claude generated the file I want to download. This could be a document, code file, spreadsheet, or any file Claude created during the chat. Now I'll scroll through the conversation until I find the file. When Claude generates a downloadable file, it usually appears as an attachment or file card directly inside the chat. Once I see the file, I'll move my cursor over it. You'll notice a download icon or a button labeled Download. Next, I'll click the Download button. As soon as I click it, the file will automatically start downloading to my computer. Depending on your browser, you might see the file appear in the download bar at the bottom of the screen, or in the Downloads icon in the top corner. To access the file, I'll simply click the downloaded file from the browser's download list, or I can open my computer's Downloads folder where the file was saved. And that's it. The file generated by Claude AI is now downloaded and ready to use on my device. That's how you download files from Claude AI step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials.